Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I had the cameras adjusted up too much yesterday, and you guys got to understand, when I cast my lure, I watch it in the sky and I watch it drop and then I follow it back. So that's the whole thing with lure fishing. You got to see that lure, guys. I caught a barra here yesterday. I don't know if there's going to be one here today. Let's check in the waters and see if we're going to get hit this morning. They've been feeding around here, so there's some plump ones around here. Nothing here yet, guys. Haven't grabbed it yet. What was that? Long jaw. I eat those boys sometimes. Alright, let's get you one more time out there, and then we're gonna head around to the other side and see if we can pick something up, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Got ya. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. He look a bit, me, I'll put him back though. No, barra. One baby barracuda that is. No, sir, I'm olive. Yeah. Watch it, I'm olive, man, watch it. On the road, my boy. Yep. Baby barra. Just for the fun of it, Jamaican shore fishing. You guys know how we do it already. You know what I'm saying? We protect the species. That's what's up. Small barra, save the day Jamaican shore fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch the ads, and stay tuned for more epic Jamaican shore fishing hookup. We do this for real, guys. We do this every day, guys. For real, for real. No joke. This is Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Come on. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Next epic hookup. We out here. Big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing. Subscribe and watch ads, guys. Stay tuned for more epic Jamaican shore fishing hookups. I seen something, guys. I want to give it a try. Seen something earlier. Oh, fish on, guys, fish on. Oh, I got him. Fish on, barra. Jamaican shore fishing. Oh, lure fishing, guys. Got him. Woohoo. Gotcha. Fish on. Woo! Yeah. Shore fishing. Shore fishing. Look at this, guys. Lizard fish. Don't put your hand near him.
You gonna let him go back?
No. He eats good. One to you. A shore fishing catches to you. I feel this, you know.
Yeah, give me.
You want the fish?
Yeah.
So, what you say to Jamaican shore fishing? Killer. That's what's up, guys. Yeah, man.
That's too short.
That must be alright. So long, so person can't catch
Wait a second, how long you can't catch one? No, welcome to Jamaican shore fishing. Young lady said she's been out there. Now you can have this fish. It's not a problem. You guys can have it.
Thank you so much.
All right, this is what's up.
Just give me.
Let me see.
All right, let me get him off. All right, let's get him off.
Yes, yes, man. Sure thing.
I'm with the old land. They only buy some.
Jamaican what? Swordfish. Sure. Ajay Magi. Ajay Magi. Yeah. But this is your life.
See that? That's a lizard fish, bro. But yo, them eat nice. Them eat good.
Get some part and
Yeah.
get some part.
Can't hold him, you know. You can't hold him. Hold him around him belly, man. Hold him. Hold him right there by and behind him gill. Yeah, man. And go so. You're a fish that, man. You look out to run.
So does that you use catch them?
Yeah. I'm Jamaican Shore Fishing. Check out my YouTube channel on YouTube called Jamaican Shore Fishing. I do this for real. Shore fishing. I've seen some fish a while ago chasing, and I'm gonna try it. See if I can get out there and see if I can get something else. Running the shallow divers, Yazori, crystal minnow. I know there's a barrow out here someplace, guys. The lizard fish just happened to hit it first. Come on, swim good for me. Why are you giving me trouble? Not giving me a good swim. Alright. Get this bad boy out. Alright, we're gonna chain this bad boy off. Yeah guys, so this is what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing, showing these kids how to do it. Oh shit, the right way. Let's get this big boy out there. Alright, I've seen something happening out there before. I don't know what it is. Let's see what's up. There might be a barra hanging out. Who knows? The shore fishing way, guys. That's how we do it. Alright. So as it lands in the water, you gotta watch it coming back to see if there's anything chasing it. You see how it swims? And it glitters. So what it does is acts like a bait fish, so they grab it. You understand? It's a technique, bro. It's a whole technique. It's a whole technique. Trust me, check out my channel, you'll learn a lot. I wasn't gonna make a second video, guys, but it is what it is. Making shore fishing. Nothing. Oh, long jaw chasing. Small long jaw chasing. So I hit that. No man, I'm good like that, man. I do this for real all the time. Check out the channel, watch the videos. Drop a comment, let me know it's you. There's Jamaican shore fishing. So that was just a little vibes I created a while ago. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Just remember, guys, for more exciting epic hookups, link up, smash that thumbs up. It's Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.